everyone. This is the Racing Fan here. Welcome to One Tunnel. Aha, laugh. We made it to the biggest of the monsters of the Without any further ado, World Finals is underway with the first matchup being Gungster versus 5 Alarm. And Gungster will win the first matchup. You got gonked! Up next is Town Hauler versus Skeleton Crew. And Town Hauler wins. Drive it like you stole it. Skeleton Crew is eliminated. Next is a freeway race between 5 Alarm, Gungster, and Town Hauler. 5 Alarm wins. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it has all led up to this very moment. The entirety of the Tournament of Titans has been building up to this. The final race. 5 Alarm versus Gungster, who will win the Champions Cup. 5 Alarm! Let's look at the votes. And the winner, once we added up all the fan votes and real votes, the winner is Gungster!
Who? Me?
That's right, Gungster! You've won the Champions Cup!
Yay, let's go, finally! Yay! Woo! Bring out the Champions Cup! Yay! I won the 2022 season! Hooray!
Thanks for watching the Tournament of Titans! And the Tournament of Titans will return in the new year.